Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth health comparison review between these two AI email tools, which is Sanebox and Shortwave. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Shortwave. Shortwave is a modern Gmail based AI inbox that goes beyond filtering by offering features like AI powered summaries, smart bundles, snoozing, and even autocomplete for fast style replies. It's great for users who want productivity boosts and task management directly tied to their email. The sleek interface and deep AI integration make it powerful for professionals who deals with heavy inbox traffic. Sandbox, on the other hand, is more lightweight and work with any email provider. Its strength lies into distraction control, moving non-urgent email into folders, setting reminders, using tools like Sand Black Hole to get rid of unwanted sender. It's less flashy than Shortwave but more flexible. So if you want AI enhanced productivity, smart Shortwaves wins, and if you want a simpler, reliable inbox cleanup across provider, Sandbox is a safer choice. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.